guys, Allie on YouTube here, and I'm back with another Erin Condren unboxing, and I'm excited because this is the life planner this time, and I think my obsession with Erin Condren's gone a little awry. But before I open up the planner, I just want to show you some stickers I got for it. Not much, but I just got it yesterday. I got the package today for the life planner, so got it from Etsy, and it's not fancy. I just got YouTube stickers, and this is so cute because they're cute little boxes that should fit in the vertical size. But the person who sent me the stickers also sent me a little sampling sheet, which I think is cute, and it's from La Petite Paper Co. I'll link her Etsy shop down below, and she has so many good stickers that I think you guys should check out if you are considering, and it's not that expensive from her. I'm only paying $11 for 2 sheets and shipping. So let's begin. So today's unboxing comes in a purple box, and purple is one of my favorite colors, and this is such a pretty box. So let's begin. So of course it says enjoy right there. Just oh, I'm excited. Okay, I got my putty to weigh it down again because I most likely will have to. One, put you in frame. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, blue paper. Okay, so, okay, that's not gonna work out. We're just gonna leave it like this. Hopefully it stays. Okay, there. So we got another enjoy tag, which I already have, so that's gonna have duplicates. And we also have a well done. Oh shoot. There you go. We have a well done is better than well said postcard. And I already have mine up on my wall, so this one I might actually use as a postcard. And then you get this beautiful, gorgeous blue paper, which I feel like I'm not gonna throw away. I threw away the last one because pink is not my favorite color. Okay, this box is becoming problematic. So let me just softly peel this sticker. Again, I blame my mother. She made me this way. Ready? I know it's bubble wrap, I can feel it. So, bubble wrap! Oh, I popped this after I hung up. It was so fun. So let me just take all this out. And put the box here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one first before I get into the planner. So I ordered a sticker book to go with my planner because I was into bullet journaling for a while, and I like decorating it. I didn't stick with bullet journaling because it takes too much time, and I'm a college student. I don't have that much free time, and I don't like a minimalistic type of aesthetic. So let me, okay. So I got the monthly collection, and it says always a reason and season to celebrate. So we have January, which I can't really use, or February, and I can't use March that much because next week is the last week of March, and I'm planning to start using my journal next week. So I can use this and go all out on my last week's spread. But I can start using April, which is really pretty and a really pretty color for my birthday month. May is also a very pretty color. June, July, oh, August is missing, I knew it. Okay, August. Oh, it has little rulers for back to school, and this is perfect. September, October. Oh, there's bats. I love bats. Oh, and it says boo, and it says beware spooky. Oh, this is a cute little theme for it. And yeah, good. November, which has give thanks and a whole bunch of Thanksgiving-y stuff. And then December, which is a whole bunch of Christmas stuff with like fa la la la. And so this will be used for sure. Put my enjoy sticker over here. Put this right there. And then here is, okay, so one thing is, I'm going to flip through this entire thing with you guys because I've been watching unboxings, and some people say their stuff gets messed up. So first we have this ruler, which has a protective film on it, and I'm just gonna pull it off because I love pulling this off. It's just me, but it's a cute little ruler. It has the painted petals theme on it, which I think is a theme for this year's planner. Put it back. Oh, there's a kid knot. It's a little difficult if you don't know what you're doing, like me. I'm gonna break this ruler for sure. I think I got it all in, so if I didn't, well, okay, now I got it all in. So I got this like starry theme cover, which is kind of newish, I think, because when I was scrolling through Erin Condren before for my academic planner, they didn't have this on there, and neither did it for the life planner. So I got this one because I love the stars, and I changed it before. It was like a beige or like off-white, and I changed it to yellow because to me that's more like twinkly stars, and of course my name on it. So when you first open it up, you get this little page. I don't like this little barcode on it. My hair's getting everywhere, but that's that. And I get this cute little pouch. It says Planet Pouch for stylish storage, which I will definitely use. And in it comes all these things that are having trouble coming out. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I already messed something up. Okay. So I get this little clip so I can make this into a attachment to it, so I will use that because I have things I don't want to lose, and put that back in there so I don't lose that. It tells me how to use them all. So that thing I just put in the bag was a coil connector. It's a sample coil connector, and I could use it to clip anything in it. I'm just gonna use it for the pouch. Then I get a friends and family discount card. Oh, here it is. So I could use that for you. I got, oh no, one. I got 2 of them, so I will use these, or I could give them away to whoever wants them. In the comments down below, just tell me and I will message it to you. And then I get sample gift labels, which these are very different than what I got last time. These are Enjoy and Happy Birthday, and I kind of like these Happy Birthdays better than the other Happy Birthdays, just because they're more colorful, whereas the other ones were like solid colors. And these Enjoys are colorful too, so that's great. Put that over here. And then I also get compliment cards. So these compliment cards say, stay on the side of the simple life, I believe in you, your beautiful mind is inspiring you. So I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. Maybe I'll put them in gifts for people, or just other things that I need them for. I'm just going to put them off to the side right here. Along with this, I'll set that up later. So when you first open up the planner, you get this like paper mache type thing. It's very, very thick, as you can hear. And then it says on the go life planner, vertical layout. Like I said, I got a vertical layout. I wanted to try something new, and it says this is my life, and I can put my name here, which I will later. And then you turn this page, and you get like quote pages, which you could kind of color it in if you want with the words. So you could do all you can and all that you thought you could not, and a little progress each day adds up to big results. And then you get the year 2017, starting July and ending December 2018. And then you get this, don't call it a dream, call it a pen. I could use whatever I want for. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe a doodle a month. I'm just not sure. Wow, I'm losing my voice. I'm sorry. And then you get this kind of blank layout with 2 lines, columns, it's 4 circles, and a box. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but this is January, which is gone to waste. This is January, yes, 2018. So trust the magic of a new beginning. Okay, so it's a pretty basic monthly view, which is good. And I like the color for January. I'm just flipping through to make sure all is well. Then you get notes pages. You get quite a few of those. Okay, so you just get 1, 2, 3. Well, you get a few note pages. Then you get a dot page. And then you get another dot page. And then you get coloring sheets, which, trust me, I will use. More coloring pages. And then, so I can plan out next year. Again, will come in handy. And then you get your best accomplishment isn't that you finish, it is that you have the courage to start. Cute. Kind of wish that, actually no, I'm going to take it back. I don't wish anything. But you also get these cute foiled stickers. I don't know if my camera is doing this justice, but they are actually very shiny, very cute. So you get rose gold, gold, and silver foiled stickers, as well as just regular stickers. But all these ones are foiled in some sort of way. Actually, I take that back. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are not foiled. That's my own fault for saying that. You get more stickers with, ooh, okay, this will come in handy. The happy birthdays, the celebrates, the to-dos, the reminders, and all these other foiled. Okay, so this page, I can't lie, these are all foiled. And then you get little blank tabbies, which I don't know if I'm going to use that, or where I'm going to use that if I do use. And then you get flags. These are flags. So, I can use them for whatever. And then, oh, okay, this is just a folder. And then you chase your wild dreams, and then you get the Perpetual Calendar, which, if I did not have the academic planner, I would use this for assignments. But because I do, I have no idea what I'm going to use this for. Also, I don't agree with putting passwords into planners, because if you lose it, then anyone can get into any of your things. It also has holidays and dates to remember for, I think, 2018. It should be 2018. Oh no, these are general holidays that they normally fall on. So like January 1st is always New Year's, but then they have stars next to the other holidays where they don't have a date, so it can be used for any time. And yeah, and then you get another little blank area. Okay, so that is my Erin Condren Life Planner, and I'm so excited to use it. I'm actually going to take my old planner, which I could pull out if I had it, but I don't, so it's all the way over there. I'm going to take my old planner and I'm going to fill this up. I'm also going to take my stickers and fill that up and just make everything good in the neighborhood. But it's thick. Okay, so my initial thoughts. This is a good size planner. I normally have smaller planners. This one, it's a little big, which in my perspective is good. Bigger is better to me in this case, because that means I have more surface area to work with. I got this the coiled bound, which is like very popular from the videos I have watched. But that's because I only like coil bound. I'm still debating because my academic planner isn't coiled bound. It can't be. So I like it because I can work like this. I could use it as a notebook. I don't have to use it like full page. So that takes up less space on what I'm writing on. And yeah, so that's it for this week's video. This is, I think, the last unboxing I have on this channel. I will see you guys all on another Saturday, probably next Saturday. Definitely, wait, hold on, where are we? Okay, yeah, definitely next Saturday I'll see you guys with another video, but until then, bye!